How to fix beyond the wire textures not loading error. 1. Check system requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Run the game, say. BeyondTheWire.exe, as an administrator. Like this. 3. Verify integrity of game files in Steam. Like this. 4. Update Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. 5. Update the FX. 6. Update GPU drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Disable all overlay related apps. 8. Install all pending Windows updates. 9. Disable antivirus and firewall program. 10. Launch the game in windowed mode, Steam. Enter windowed no border command into Beyond the Wire launch options. Like this. 11. Perform a clean boot. 12. Close background processes via WTM. 13. Reset the Beyond the Wire app. Like this. 14. Uninstall then reinstall Beyond the Wire.